Huizhou Madic Technology Co., Ltd. is a whiteboard manufacturer in Guangdong, China. Our story begins in 1998 when we were Shenzhen Madic Home Products Co., Ltd. Madic have specialized in whiteboards for more than 20 years since then. In order to meet the increasing market requirements, we moved to a modern industry park which was built by ourselves in 2022. As a strong competitive professional manufacturer in the industry, Madic has modern standardized plant facilities and a variety of advanced production lines. With around 30,000 square meters site and over 3,000 skilled staffs, Madic can meet mass production order needs with high efficiency and high standards from global customers. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business with you.